Welcome back. You're watching Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18. Now, the government has sought to de-escalate its standoff with the Reserve Bank of India. The government issued a statement saying that they respect the Reserve Bank's autonomy, but has worried the global investors. Here are some views coming in from Garner of Morgan Stanley.
I don't think you can really describe the RBI's dispute with the government in India as sort of Turkey-esque. We haven't ended up in a situation where you're having to make a 6% percentage point emergency increase in rates. But it is interesting to see that we do have the RBI sort of starting to push back against what appears to be requests from the government to be more aggressive in supporting the shadow banking sector. We are a small overweight India. Its cyclical environment is far better than that of North Asia. The domestic demand sectors are benefiting from a cyclical pickup in growth. And the oil price has, at least for now, topped out at around $80 on Brent. So that would have been a concern if it had gone higher. So we've got a modest overweight on India at this juncture.
Okay, so modest overweight on India, but let's move on. Sources tell us that the Union Cabinet has cleared a proposal to amend the Companies Act through an ordinance. Now remember, CNBC-TV18 has been reporting that in order to strengthen India's corporate governance framework, the centre has been working on amendments to the Act. Sources tell us that these amendments will be made public after the President's approval.
Well, the latest in the crisis is a debt-laden Island FS Group. The newly appointed board member, Mr. G.N. Bajpai, has stepped down, citing personal reasons. Now, the appointment of the former SEBI chairman had raised a few eyebrows as he served as an independent director at the now defunct Kingfisher Airlines. And an SFIO report had criticized the role played by independent directors at Kingfisher.
Okay, on that note, let's slip into a quick break. Up next, we'll get you a check on the cues to watch from the futures and options space. Stay tuned.